Used to work with the University of Georgia as a county agent, and we had a lot of farmers just continually ask us for better ways to manage their irrigation. They knew they wanted to be responsible irrigators, do the best they can with the water, and also really increase their yields. For 30 years, we looked at different technologies such as watermark sensors and irrigation scheduling techniques. About 15 years ago, we came across this technology called a multi-level capacitance probe. It was just, when I saw the data that came out of this capacitance probe, it really blew my mind. And I knew I wanted to be associated with this technology. This electronics actually sends out a radio wave signal out into the soil away from itself, 360 degrees. Whereas some of the other moisture sensors, the moisture from the soil has to go inside of the sensor, and it changes as that moisture changes. This technology is just much more responsive, quicker. It can measure much smaller changes in the moisture, and so that's one reason we like it. Many times it boils down to just 2 or 3 weeks in a really critical time of the year, of the growing season, that this technology can really help them save an irrigation, or maybe irrigate a little bit harder than they would have normally. So we always try to tell a farmer that's just starting out with the technology, try one. Just try one sensor in a field that they know a lot about and see how it relates to that field. You know, they know they're the best at knowing their own soil types. They know their irrigation resources that they have. And then with this tool, they can kind of see how to work both of those things together with the crop they're growing that year. So we've got several components that we put in a farmer's field. The soil moisture probe. What really has opened up all of this technology is the cellular network to send all this data back to the cloud and then ultimately to the customer, to the farmer's phone. The app that we use by AgSense, we feel like just really displays the data in a clear fashion, easy to get to. They can see their latest soil moisture status. They can see how the irrigation they put on last night impacted the soil moisture. They can view the rain events from the last 7 days or 30 days. See how much rain and or irrigation they've had over that period of time. And of course, really the reason farmers are interested in the technology, besides the convenience of keeping up to date with their soil moisture, you know, they want to do a better job with their irrigation. They either want to increase their yields and make more money that way, or they want to save money by saving an irrigation or 2 or 3. So this technology really allows them to make decisions that they feel like they're better informed on. When this probe is looking at that deeper soil moisture, you know, it's hard for the farmers to go out and kick the dirt and really know what the moisture level is at 24 inches. This technology gives them a lot of good insight into that and may help them put off and delay an irrigation, save some of our resources for another day.